Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply materials to multiple objects in Blender. So first we need to add a material to single object. So I click on this cube and then I go to material properties settings and I click here new. Then new material will be added here and then we need to change base color to any other that we want to apply. For example, I select here this blue. Of course, if you don't see color, you need to change mode to display in material preview mode. It is very important in this situation. Okay, and after that we need to select objects without material. So I select two objects here. Then I press and hold shift and I select object with material. Now I use shortcut Ctrl L and we need to select this option, link materials. It will let you to transfer data from active object to selected objects. So I select this one option. And after that material will be successfully added to another objects. So how you see it is really working. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and that's all. Thank you for watching my tutorials.